Lavender Essential Oil is one of the most popular essential oils, and it is acquired from lavender plants. This essential oil has gained popularity because of its numerous benefits, and it can be used on skin to get rid of various issues such as acne, eczema, wrinkles, and many more. The oil takes care of wounds and inflammation quite well, and it is a great option for hair growth and aromatherapy as well. Among all the essential oils, this particular one is so beneficial that the market is literally full of this product. Now, with so many options at hand, it's quite normal for you to get baffled while choosing the best one for yourself. So to spare you the hassle, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best lavender essential oils for you. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Give your body and mind a peaceful experience and get rid of tension with the doTERRA Lavender Essential Oil. This oil is collected from the flower part of the lavender plant through steam distillation. It has a powdery floral and light aroma and contains ingredients such as linalool, linalool acetate, and ocimene. It's a great option for diffusion as well as internal and topical use, plus the product aids in easing feelings of tension. This lavender essential oil is great for soothing skin irritations which take place occasionally, and when taken internally, it minimizes anxiety while promoting better sleep. You can use this oil onto your pillows and bedding and to freshen up your linen closet and car, plus it can also be used in cooking and baking. The doTERRA Lavender Essential Oil has earned the trust of users on Amazon, and they love how it helps to fall asleep quicker while healing burns and cuts quite well. But a few users were disappointed with their purchase. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We accepted the product for the value it comes with, giving it 5 stars on those. But it is quite pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. Our next pick for today is the Plant Therapy Lavender Essential Oil, which will provide you with relaxation while taking care of your skin. The oil follows a steam distilled extraction method, and it contains a herbaceous floral smell which is sweet and dry in nature. You can add this oil into your aromatherapy diffuser, and it will make you feel relaxed while ensuring better sleep at night. On top of that, this oil can be blended with other carrier oils and applied to the skin, hair, and scalp as well. This product is kid-safe when diluted by plant therapy, which means the oil is specially developed for children and it works effectively. This 100% pure oil nourishes your skin and treats aging signs quite well, and you can use it to take care of your chapped lips as well. The Plant Therapy Lavender Essential Oil has received many positive feedbacks from users as it provides relaxation and ensures better sleep. But besides all the positive feedback, some users complain about the smell of this product. Time to check out the ratings now. In terms of value and price, we gladly give it 5 stars. But when it comes to user acceptance, we'll give it 4 stars. The Handcraft Blends Lavender Essential Oil is our next recommended product for you, which will be a great option for aromatherapy. It's a 100% pure lavender essential oil which follows a steam-distilled extraction method. The product contains a floral scent and is tested for quality, ensuring that there is no presence of fillers or additives. It is a perfect choice for aromatherapy and provides your body and mind with relaxation. This essential oil comes in a high-quality glass bottle with a premium glass dropper so you can use it quite easily. The oil can be blended with various essential oils, and the amber glass bottle provides UV protection for ensuring maximum quality on the go. This lavender essential oil is highly appreciated by users as it comes at a great price and they recommend the product for its effectiveness. But as it goes, some of them didn't have a great experience with it. Moving on to the ratings. We really admired this product for its overall benefits and affordability, giving it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. Stress and tension often makes us gloomy, which can be the reason behind disturbance in sleep cycle. So if you are suffering from such issues, then the Gaia Labs Lavender Essential Oil is a great option for you. This essential oil is derived from the lavender plants harvested from the fields of Bulgaria and is steam distilled from lavender flowers. It has a marked floral aroma and works to make your mind calm so that you can sleep peacefully at night. The oil takes care of your stress and anxiety while promoting better sleep, and in the meantime, it moisturizes your skin perfectly. This lavender essential oil is a great option for nourishing your dry skin. The potently therapeutic oil provides you with a great complexion and a natural dewy glow. Additionally, it's a 100% natural product which is non-GMO and not tested on animals. The Gaia Labs Lavender Essential Oil is a fan-favorite product as users love how it provides relaxation while ensuring quality. But then again, some of them didn't like the smell of this product. It's time to check out the ratings now. We were overwhelmed by the formula of this essential oil, and it is also quite affordable. So we're gonna give it 5 out of 5 stars in total. Our best pick for today's video is the Artizen Lavender 100% Pure Therapeutic Grade Essential Oil, which promises to provide you with best outcomes while ensuring quality. This lavender essential oil is 100% pure and natural, and it doesn't contain any adulterants, which makes this product a suitable option for you. It comes with a high-quality glass pipette, which makes it easier to use the oil, and the product is consistently tested to ensure purity and uniqueness. The oil comes in UV-resistant bottles, which are colored for added beauty, and the bottles keep the product safe from degradation caused by sunlight. Additionally, this essential oil comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can use it without worrying a bit. This therapeutic grade essential oil has earned the trust of thousands of users on Amazon as it provides relief from asthma and takes care of skin problems quite well. But a few users were not really satisfied with their purchase. Let's rate this product now. We absolutely love the quality and affordability of this essential oil, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. So that was all about the 5 best lavender essential oils. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.